Good afternoon to my gorgeous professor. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to discuss this topic. Have you ever heard about nasopharyngeal cancer? Well, nasopharyngeal cancer is a rare type of cancer that affects the parts of the throat connecting to the back of the nose and to the back of the mouth. The risk of nasopharyngeal cancer is higher in people who has a relative who had it. The risk to other family member is higher if the relative was diagnosed before the age of 40 and it is a first-degree relative. A first-degree relative is a parent, brother, sister, son, or a daughter. People exposed to wood, thus through their work have an increased risk of nasopharyngeal cancer. Treated wood contains several chemicals. Research has shown that smoking causes an increase in the risk of nasopharyngeal cancer, which can be up to 3 times higher in long-term smokers, or 25 years or longer. People who have had chronic ear, nose, and throat disease at some point in the past are at an increased risk of nasopharyngeal cancer. This includes chronic blocked and runny nose, rhinitis, middle ear infection, or otitis media, and polyps. Nasopharyngeal cancer is more common in parts of Asia, Northern Africa, and the Arctic than it is in Europe. Exposures to wood, fires for cooking the home over many years, and using solvents in the workplace have been linked to nasopharyngeal cancer in one study, but other studies do not show a link with solvents in the workplace or fumes from wood fires. So that's it. Thank you for listening.